this is Fai, and today I'm going to show you how I recreate this makeup look inspired by Karina in aespa Girl's music video. Let's get started. I'm going to apply a petal shade foundation all over my face evenly. I choose cool tone foundation because Karina has a really bright skin. Next, as always, I'm going to cover my dark circles with my favorite cream concealer. Next, for the eyebrows. I'm going to draw the eyebrow using a skinny eyebrow pencil first to make it more precision. I'm trying to make my eyebrow look similar like Karina's eyebrow shape. Next, I'm going to fill in the eyebrows by using a peanut brown eyebrow powder. Next, to lighten the color even more, I'm going to apply a light brown eyebrow mascara on top of it. Next, for the contour, I'm going to make my nose look higher. And I'm going to apply more shading powder onto the side of my face to make my face look slimmer. Now, let's apply the base eyeshadow first. Use a big brush to apply it. And then I'm going to apply a peanut brown color onto my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take medium brown color and apply it onto the 1/3 of inner and outer part of the eyelid, like this. Next, I'm going to deepen the color by applying a dark brown color a little bit on top of it and blend it evenly. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of shimmer base eyeshadow onto the middle part of my eyelid, like this. Next, I'm going to apply a pink color onto the lower lid to create a soft aespa. Next, I'm going to take a dark beige color and apply it onto the lower lid and focusing onto the other corner. I'm using a flat brush to apply it along the lower lash line. Now, I'm going to rim my eyes with a black pen liner. Drag the tail a little bit longer at the end. Now, I'm going to finish off the eye makeup by applying the falsies. Apply an individual false lashes to create the loud lashes, or you can draw it as well by using a pen liner. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter onto the inner area near the tear duct, and also onto the bridge of the nose to make my nose look higher. Now, I'm going to apply a pink blusher onto the apple of my cheeks. Finally, it's time to apply the eye jewels. Last, I'm going to apply a light maroon lipstick onto my lips and blend it evenly. And to create a glossy look, I'm going to apply a lip gloss on top of it. Don't forget to create a fake mole. Now the makeup is done. Alright, that's it for today's makeup tutorial. If you like my makeup tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!